I didn't record any of that. Sam.
You're kidding.
No, I didn't record any of that. Good afternoon. We're down at the old Stroudwater, and I'm with
Sam from Cotswold Canals, updated again. I'm back again.
and back again for another go. We'll see if we can make a little bit of a better video this time. But yeah, we're down at the old Stroudwater just to have a look before we head to Saul Junction. And Sam's been reading up a little bit of history. So take it away, Sam. What do you know about this place?
Not an awful lot,
Not a lot.
But I think it's like one of those little hidden gems that you don't really know about until you actually look into the area. And from what I've read, it was a private navigation, as they used to be called back in the day. That's why it's called the Stroudwater Navigation. It's a legacy term, and it was for private usage. And I believe it was for the shipment of coal. Actually, I don't know what the shipment was for. Yeah. But it must have been coal or something.
Would have thought coal.
Yeah, and obviously it's straighter because we're right by the River Severn. Obviously that's really choppy and really choppy, so it's hard to transport ships down there. So I reckon it probably connected up to that point and was just maybe cheaper and stuff. Anyway, it was an earlier attempt at the Stroudwater navigation.
This predates the Gloucestershire and Sharpness by quite considerable amount of time.
Yeah, well, and obviously,
and when that was built, this was pretty much, because the dock down at Sharpness was much safer than the one here, so this became defunct.
Yeah, it's a bit sad in a way as well.
It's very sad,
because like you
it's never going to be restored, from what I can gather. But beyond that bridge there is a private residence, and then the Severn.
Yeah, and that's where the
dock would have been.
Yeah. And I don't know if it was this exact bit, but there was supposedly, I think, one of the Dukes of York, a Duke of York.
Yes.
It might have been George III or whatever. It supposedly came down here and had I suppose maybe it was a ride on a trow or something along here. I don't know if it was this exact cut, but actually also we'll buy these old houses as well. And I don't know, so if anyone does know, I'd like to know. But I'm guessing if this was a section of Pound, and if maybe these houses were used for maybe the maintenance of the canal as well.
Yeah, I would guess.
Yeah, and obviously we've got these old hard stones here, so maybe this part was a mooring bit. You've got a little bit, is that wood or brick? That's just brick. So the wind wall's there from when it would have distributed. So this was the start of the Pound, and it must have extended quite far down back in the day.
Right, should we head to Saul Junction?
Yeah, we'll see you there.
So this is Lock House. This is private residence. We shan't go in. Beautiful church. I'm not sure the age of that. Do you know the age of that?
Absolutely no idea.
We can Google that. Yeah. I mean, just over there is the Severn.
You're on for a treat there. It's a stunning day today.
Well, isn't it ever? Yeah.
You couldn't have picked a better day to be here.
Even Sam's left his jacket at home, I can see.
I'm quite guarded about my jacket as well, so that's quite a rarity.
It's a wonderful day. But let's have a look at this. Let's have a quick look over here, and then we'll head to Saul Junction.
Yeah.
I mean, there's the Severn.
It's special, isn't it?
It's massive there. Very good. Right, Saul Junction then, Sam.
See you there. Oh, there we go. Here we are. Doesn't seem to have a name on it. Can't see any name. It's a shame.
We're now at Saul Junction, and we're at Walk Bridge. This has had approval for funding to be demolished, and
yeah, I don't know really, but there was a news article recently saying they required some of the funding, so I suppose at some point they will start building it here. But
Saul Junction Marina, I don't know when it was created, but it's a lovely place.
All those boats.
I don't know about you, Sam, but this is a fantastic day.
Well, it's lovely, isn't it?
For a stroll down the old Stroudwater.
Oh, I know, it's mad. I wonder if this, I suppose this bit's fully restored then, wouldn't it? Would this stretch?
This is fully restored, yeah.
Okay.
Well, I don't even know if it needed restoring, but this is fully used up until the Walk Bridge, and that's it.
Oh, perfect.
Which is not far.
Yeah. Awesome. What's off?
A crane over there in the distance to pick up boats and put them into storage.
Well, maybe they took cargo out of trays and stuff. What's the word? Transship them or whatever. Yeah, and the water's completely clear as well. God, look at all those boats. I wonder how many is in there.
Quite a few. I'll get a drone up in a minute and we can have a count.
You'll be here all day. We can have a bet.
There's a few.
What's that? Look,
yeah. Old Cadbury factory in the distance.
Yeah,
is
it's
it?
a
Old
Cadbury's chocolate factory, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and God, I wonder when that closed down.
I don't know much about it, to be honest.
No, fair enough. There's so much industrial heritage around here, isn't
Yes.
there? You know, I imagine like that marina, maybe it was built for, maybe some of the boats that were back, maybe it was built for an industrial purpose and that's been converted for like a
Pleasure.
pleasure.
Yeah.
It's not. And also, it's really therapeutic being along.
Oh, it's wonderful,
And
isn't it?
stuff, isn't there? We've got butterflies going about right by the orchard. It's quite. Yeah, it's just very nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. Untouched. Well, is it untouched? Not really, but it's
Unspoiled,
just
isn't it?
unspoiled. That's
Yeah.
the word I'm looking for.
Yeah, because
There's your rusty old crane. You're obsessed with that, aren't you? You like
I
that?
love old cranes.
Get some handwriting, sort of touch it up a bit, huh?
They need a lot of work on it. Oh, great.
What do you like at heights?
I'm not very good with heights.
No,
I
well,
hate
all right.
walking across bridges, everything like that.
Perhaps this bridge will be all right, won't it?
Yeah, this one's not too high, so
Right, okay.
I won't be running off the other way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the bridge.
Swivel Bridge.
Boat club. The old. Do you know what? I don't even know what this lock's called, Sam.
Neither do I. I have absolutely.
This Saul Junction lock, Stroudwater lock.
We could give it a name.
We'll give it a name. I'm sure I'll find out. But yeah, so this has been restored, and
Yeah. You've got your old mitre gates there.
but it'll never be used. And that's it.
Yeah.
It's wonderful, really. But yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Joins up to this Gloucester and Sharpness Canal. It's been a wonderful few minutes down on this canal, Sam.
Yeah, no, it's just been nice. It's been really nice, actually.
The ducks enjoying themselves. Look,
You see nothing but ducks around here.
there's been a few ducks.
We've seen loads.
There's been a few
gosh.
ducks.
I wonder if it's a bit like that place at Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves where they
Yes.
all keep running around and you keep counting the same one several times.
Bridge house. That's what the word you're looking for.
Yeah, Bridge House.
So this is the old bridge house. So you'd come in here and you'd pay your toll.
Oh. What's it now?
I guess. I maybe private. I don't know.
Yeah, no.
Well, that certainly bit is for the.
Oh, it's probably for the managing of the locks.
Yeah.
And so on. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you imagine in 3 years' time,
They'll-
boats will be going up there
Yeah. They'll have to get
under
that.
the bridge, which you won't be there.
Yeah, they'll have to get to that bridge first. It'll be a bit of a.
Yeah, that is a bit of an obstacle, but once that's gone,
Yeah. It'll be-
anyway.
Yeah, no. Well, they're very different, I imagine. I wonder what sort of bridge it'll be.
Don't know. I don't know. But it'll be better than that one.
Can you actually navigate
Anyway,
it?
Sam,
Yeah.
it's been great coming down here to Saul Junction with
No,
you.
thank you for having me again. I've really
And,
enjoyed it. It's been a pleasure.
It's been great to do a little collab.
Yeah.
Collaboration.
Yeah.
What a wonderful day. Oh, Sam, where's my ice cream?
I said they're an ice cream fan around when you need one.
Imagine it. I'll have 2 flakes, please. Oh,
They could have one on the boat. They
Yeah.
could have one on the canal.
surely there's an enterprising person here who could do something like
Yeah, I don't know, canal ice cream boats or something.
that. Yeah. Anyway, it's been
Nice,
great.
yeah.
It's been great, Sam, and I've thoroughly enjoyed it.
Yeah. So, thank you for having me again. It's been a
Absolutely.
Really enjoyed it.
We shall reconvene again
We shall.
and have a little walk and a talk.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you very much. Goodbye.
Toodaloo.
Don't fall in. My God, you're going to be superstars. Can you get under there?
I wouldn't try it.
No.
It's a bit cold.
A while back, I was like, that looks like him.
I didn't think that would be you two goons.
What do you mean?
Hey?
What do you mean?
Sam, I introduce, this is Ed, top
Hi, nice to meet you.
maintenance guy,
Yeah.
and this is John. He is the top maintenance guy.
Hi, nice to meet you.
He's Renishaw's creme de la creme.
No, fair play.
You wouldn't think it, would you? But he's
Well, you never know.
he
Looks can be
certainly
deceiving,
knows
eh?
how to tighten up a few nuts, put it that way. And now
Yeah.
here you are, look at you two goons. We can't go no further, that's it.
We're going to get out and go to the pub.
You're going to the pub.
Oh, very nice.
Well, we're just making a little video for the YouTube, and
Yeah.
you are now the star.
Yeah, star attraction.
Hey? You get under there. Oh, no. No.
Oh, my.
No.
Really?
Look,
Wow.
look.
All good?
Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe you two goons.
Fair play.
Fair play, that was the more sensible option, John, anyway.
In fairness, there's no way where you could have done it.
Well, enjoy the rest of your day. We're going to
Yeah.
take a little walk. But,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah. You're going to get all the way to the phone bridge?
Yeah, fair play.
Pair of goons.
Fair play.
Enjoy your pint.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah.